Okay, what's happening, guys? Hey, hopefully you're having a good weekend or a good week. I just want you to have a good day, especially if you join this opportunity and you start making some ka-ching, okay, some ka-chang, some moolah, and then you get up and you just realize, hey, I'm going to make my rent, my mortgage. I can afford to buy maybe a shirt or a hat or take my kids somewhere fun. You know, you have more than what it takes to break even each month. And that's a great feeling, especially when you're just screwing off online. I still can't believe I'm successful just putting my webcam on, putting a little light on that brightens up my face, and I can sit here and just talk to you folks on planet Earth, really. These videos, I have no idea where they're going to go, but boy, oh boy, north, south, east, west, could go to Africa, to Alabama, all right, to Australia or Brazil, all right, or up above me in Canada. But I sure appreciate you guys watching my videos, okay? Now, I was able to make some money yesterday with Save Club, and I forgot that we get paid on Fridays. All right, I'm used to Live Good. We get paid on Thursday, and then some of my other opportunities, whenever I have money there, I can just click, and they send me money on the spot through Wise or what's the other one, PayPal. But with this new opportunity, if you just invite people to click links, and if they start joining you at $19.97 a month, and they want to be affiliates for that one-time $60 fee, guys, it just starts building momentum, okay? And I'll just show you some results, all right? And I completely forgot yesterday because I was busy, but I didn't know if I was going to make any money the first week or two or the first month. All I did is say, I like Save Club. I believe in it. It's similar to Live Good. I missed the boat with Live Good, even though I'm top 30 in the company. If I would have joined the first week or so, okay, I could have signed up probably a neighborhood, a city, state, or a country. But he or she who signs up earlier in any business, it just gives you an advantage. Okay, you can't guarantee any income with these type of videos, but I'll tell you what, right now we're barely a week in with Save Club. Okay, you need to join. If you're watching me now and you have not signed up, please just have some faith. Get the $60 bill out. Get the $19.97. $79.97, let's get you in. Okay, but let me just show you. When you sign up with Save Club, just log in, go to saveclub.com, and you see this tab here at the bottom. It just says My Earnings. Just click it, and you're going to get to this page here where it says Select Your Payment. Okay, you need to configure your bank or cryptocurrency, okay, with Credit Wallet. Those are the two ways that you get paid. And then also if you want to buy, obviously your membership, you want to join for the month. If you want to join for the year VIP, actually you make even more commissions. So if you do have a couple $100, please upgrade to the annual. It's so worth it. And you can figure this out with the comp plan. All right, I'll even show you how you can look that up real quick. All right, we get 5 ways to get paid. And they really add up, okay? So when you sign up, saveclub.com, username, password, scroll down to here to My Earnings, and just click Select Your Payment. Okay, so fairly easy. It's not too tough. I think it's kind of fun. So anyway, guys, right now it's early. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do outside today. I got a big car show to help produce with Jill and Blaine of Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. I think I got my hat on. You can't really see the logo from here, from far away, but yeah, I got a real busy weekend here in Salt Lake City. It's 83 degrees outside. I'm so excited. But you can see I signed up about a week ago. And I'm having people pre-enroll. I'm having signups every day. I've already had someone upgrade, it looks like, this morning. So thank you. All right, if that's you, I'm going to send you a nice email and exactly what I do every day to produce results like this. All right, by working an hour or two. And if you want to do videos like this, I love to do a couple hours of videos. Just sit, chat with you guys, upload them to YouTube. I have by far the worst thumbnails on YouTube. Every day I got probably 5 people. Man, do you want me to make your thumbnails? And I'm like, nope, I'm okay. I'm just myself. It gives me charm. Okay. But anyway, this is what I do, guys. If you watch my videos, you're going to see a pattern. This is what I do. No matter what, where, or when. If we're on the street and we talk at the car show, Cory, what's this Save thing? Well, here's my card, man. I love saveclub.com. Take your time, go home, sit behind your car, put the steering wheel in front, and just watch. It's a 5-6 minute video of our founder. I like to call him Charlie, but he goes by Charles. And he's going to tell you more about Save Club and what he's doing in our future. We're going to have 1 to 2 million not affiliates, I guess people that are, well, I have no doubt we're going to have millions of affiliates, but businesses you can save money worldwide, not just here, where I live, Salt Lake, not just in America or Canada, all over the world. There's going to be big businesses and local businesses that are going to save you a lot of money. But I'm an affiliate. I focus on that. I am saving $100 to $200 a month just by belonging to Save Club. Okay. I'm going to save money on things I'm already spending. I don't go out of my way to save money. That's just a waste of money. I'd rather buy Legos and Kiss dolls. Okay. But I like to be an affiliate. I like to sit down and just get a $60 bill out. Sometimes I just use 320s and then I invest that into myself. I'm an affiliate. For $19.97, guys, that's all it is. Okay. I'm so sure that you're going to be comfortable with that $19.97 going out each month, because just by going to saveclub.com, why not save 50 to $100? Just do it. And if you can afford just to spend the 20 and not focus on saving, don't worry about it. I think probably 50, 60, even 75% of people, they're going to get so caught up and excited about being an affiliate, they're going to forget that they can actually go out and just use their cell phone, look up a deal at Walmart, Lowe's. Oh gosh, Popeye's chicken I just saw popped up. Okay, you want to take a flight? There's flight discounts. No one has those in Save Clubs. Okay, you can go to Lyft, get a deal on Lyft to the airport. You can get hotel deals all over the world. Go to Vegas, go to the Strip. I'm sure there's plenty of things. Maybe you can even get a lap dance at Cheetah's, okay, or Jumbo's Clown Room. Go there, just go up to a pretty girl and go, "Hey man, are you a part of Save Club?" And she's like, "Well, you know what? I am, but you're still going to have to give me $20 a dance. But yes, I got Save Club too." So you guys high five. All right. And then she sits on your leg and then you go, you giggle. Okay. And she wiggles. You giggle. She wiggles. And then you both save money because you're smart. You're going to join Save Club. Don't quote me on that. My sense of humor might be a little different than other people, but I love saveclub.com. Please just go there, guys. Let's have some fun with this darn thing. You're way ahead of the curve. If you're watching this, today is either the 2nd or 3rd of May. I don't know. I have to always look at my watch or my phone or my computer screen. But this just debuted about 8 to 10 days ago. Okay. In the next 30 days, somebody's probably going to sign someone up that's going to sign up a city, a state, or a country. Okay. And if they are 3 or 4 positions down, we pay 16 levels deep, guys. You can look up the pay plan in just a little bit, but it's going to be very exciting for people like you watching me right now. Okay, I feel very fortunate. I'm very blessed. Actually, the number one guy in this company. All right, he got a hold of me and rock and roll, man. All right, and some of the biggest people online that I know and admire that have made millions, guess what? They are in this opportunity. Okay, does success leave clues? You're going to hear that. All right, if you listen to Tony Robbins or Grant Cardone or anybody like a Gary Veister, all right, all of those gurus, man, they just have similar phrases, okay? And I believe that they have value, okay? So have some faith. You need to look into this opportunity. If you missed the boat, okay, if that ship set sail in Live Good and you signed up, I don't know, anywhere from 2 to 3 months after. I signed up with Live Good 4 months after. All right, I'm still top 30 out of 2 million people in that company. But if I would have signed up the first week, oh my. Okay, I love to make video. I love to post smart-ass little things. I love to hand out little business cards to people just on a street level. I don't talk like this, not in person. If you meet me, we're going to talk about everything except Save Club. Okay, within a degree. I mean, if you need to ask a couple questions, I don't mind, but this is what I do. I want everybody that signs up with me to do the same thing. I love Save Club. Please just click it. Go to this page. You're going to have one too. So if you sign up, you can put my name if you want, but I suggest put your name here or a business name. It's up to you. Invite people to click something. What do people click? I love saveclub.com. They go to this page right here. They watch this video. And if you want more information or you want to sign up, just put your information here and click that orange little button. Secure my position now, biatch. Okay? And then let's have some fun. I'm going to send you an email, even if you pre-enroll or go ahead and sign up all the way. I'm going to send you a nice email with exactly what I do every day, just a routine. I make it fun. I don't put a lot of money into these videos. I like to make them about 10 minutes, which is in about 8 seconds, and upload them to YouTube. But I have a routine. All right, and if it takes me an hour to do, I just get better at it, and I do it in 50 minutes. Then all of a sudden I do the same thing in 30 minutes. You just get real good at one thing and then go to another. All right. Do you like to email? Do you like to post on Instagram? How about Facebook? That's my favorite. Do you like to do little videos like this where you just turn on a webcam and chat and just, if you screw up, if you have a booger, pick a, if you like the chapstick, if you like the chapstick, your sexy lips, come on, let's do it now. Ooh, vanilla lot. Oh my God, that smells good. Okay. Or maybe you want to have yourself a little swig of something ice cold. This might not be the healthiest, but there's no sugar. There's no calories. It's all good. Rockstar Zero. Come on. You know, the founder lives 28 miles above me. He paid cash for his home. It's the biggest in Park City. Look it up. $55 million he paid. And I'm sure that I paved his driveway with my stupid addiction to these darn little Rockstar things, okay? And I'm not even like an affiliate of Rockstar. I just like to promote things for free because I'm a dummy. But I ain't no dummy when it comes to recruiting and being an affiliate with this old Save Club, okay? I love saveclub.com. Guys, thanks for your time, okay? I always have a good time chatting with you folks, and I'm not shy. Cory at corydraper.com. Let me just show you my card again. Sometimes it's easier. You can visualize my email. See right there, Cory at corydraper.com. All right? Every day, people, once in a while, they'll just email me. And guess what? Just based on me getting a hold of them, showing them a real person, and just go, yes, this is for real. Nice to meet you. I email them back, and guess what? They sign up. I think there's value in contacting people back and forth. All right? Especially when they contact you first. Don't be shy. I know in the beginning, if you're new to this business or you're just busy, everybody's busy. Don't bug me. I just invite you to click a link and don't bug me. I'm just shopping for gold. Okay? Don't be that type. Help out people that reach out to you. You don't have to be on the phone all day, but if they email you or send you an inbox, let's say on Facebook or something, if it's a simple question, do your best to help them out. Okay? That's what I like to do anyway. So, all right, guys, I love saveclub.com. I'm out of here. You have a good weekend if you're watching me live, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel too. All right, peace and love, baby. Yeah, and that's a rock sign, Ronnie James Dio, Black Sabbath and Dio. Look at that. And that's peace. Okay? And that's number one. And right now I'm picking my nose. Look. No. Okay, gotta go. Bye.